What's up, world? Welcome back to Radical Investors, where we talk about crypto, stocks, and all the ways how to get to the money. I'm Wasu.
I'm Hamed.
And today we're talking about Hut8.
Let's go.
Hey guys, so before we get into the video, make sure you bless that like and subscribe button. We really want you in our family. The tribe is growing more and more every single day. When you bless that like and subscribe button, you help us grow, and we want to do that so we reach more and more people.
Yeah, absolutely. Guys, we're here to bring you value. Again, we're all about quantum gains over here, 10x minimum plays. So if you're open to those opportunities, bless that subscribe button. And with that, let's...
Hut8, the mining company from Canada.
Yeah, look, we're gonna link a video above. We spoke about this video about 3 months about this stock about 3 months ago.
Right? Yeah, and so far it's been doing okay, right? But a huge catalyst for growth right now. It's going to be listed on the Nasdaq.
Yeah, big deal, guys. So just to double back, currently right now, Hut8 is a Canadian company. So it currently trades at on the Canadian exchange as well as the OTC markets for us in America. Right. And at that, so basically, trading on those two exchanges, you really don't have that much exposure.
No, you don't have exposure to the retail, kind of the retail investor.
Masses, no.
Even though, it doesn't take that much to get a Charles Schwab account, right?
Right.
But when you talk about the retail investor, you're talking about the WeBulls, the Robinhoods, the things like that. Of the world. So
yeah, absolutely. So we believe so this listing should be happening within the next week or two, but that's gonna cause a lot of interest, right, from people that want Bitcoin exposure, people that might have some other competitors already on their in their portfolios, like Mar and Riot, and this is an additional platform where a mining company where you can also add to your portfolio and really have a diverse group of mining companies.
Yeah, we've been a fan for a few months now. Like I said, it's been doing okay, but we think being on the Nasdaq and having that exposure to the retail investor, and it's a very easy story to understand, right?
Absolutely. So
you're seeing basically a company that's comparable to the Riots of the world,
right,
and you're seeing it trade currently at $4.
Right.
So if you're just comparing companies very similar to these other companies, it's a no-brainer for more and more people to buy into the stock. More and more people buy into the stock price goes up. It's not rocket science. It's pretty easy to see.
Yeah, it's pretty easy. And if you look at just why we think it's so undervalued still right now, majorly because it hasn't been on a major exchange, is that Hut8 has like one of the fastest hash rates, right? And they have the most crypto Bitcoin in reserve, right, compared to those competitors. So like you look at Riot, you look at Mara, they're both at about a 3 billion market cap. Currently today, Hut8 is a little bit over 500 million. So like that alone, like they're a faster processor, right? They have a faster system, they have more reserves, yet they're undervalued. Why is that, right? So once this thing hits Nasdaq, guys, we're looking at, from the prices of where it's at today, that's about like a 3 to 4x just to compare it, right? Let alone show more added value, which Hut8 is showing. There was recent talks about them talking about mining Ethereum, so they're looking to expand. They're not just focusing just on Bitcoin. That is their bread and butter, but they are smart enough to realize other opportunities.
Yeah, and the last thing I would add is that they're also based in North America.
That's a big deal, guys.
Which doesn't seem like a big deal, but it's a huge deal because
huge deal.
Here, at least in the United States, there's a lot of talk of Bitcoin, the Bitcoin mining industry being really dominated by the Chinese.
Right.
And we don't, the American government and some other governments don't necessarily like that. And they think it's a little dangerous to have all that mining capacity in one country, right?
Yeah, no, big time. I mean, it really, if Bitcoin is going to be one of these top cryptos in the future, then you want to make sure that the mining is diverse and it's not just being hold in one country, right?
Yeah.
You really, especially
in one
communist
in
country,
one
right?
communist dictatorship country that can just cut it off
Just like
at
that.
any time that one man feels like it should be cut
Exactly.
off. Right?
And another major thing with Hut 8 is, Elon has brought up the whole Bitcoin not being so sustainable, but, and there's, people have kind of debunked that. We know that's not true. But one of the things that Hut 8 has focused on as one of their principles in their business is sustainability. So they're trying to go about mining this Bitcoin in the most sustainable matters as it goes. Yeah, it's possible. So that's awesome news. And that's the kind of value and care that you kind of get in business practices when you're dealing with, North America, right? When you're dealing with countries that kind of value more some of this environmental these problems that we do have, right?
So if you're loving the type of content that we're making here at Radical Investors, make sure to bless that like and subscribe button. Come and join our tribe. We're growing every single day. Pretty soon we're buying a private jet, Rolexes, Gator shoes, custom suits. You know how we do here at Radical Investors.
Yeah, guys, and we'd love to throw events and all of that, and invite all of you guys there. So definitely make sure to keep watching, keep supporting this channel. We have some links down below where you could sign up to buy crypto and stocks. Offers a lot of free incentives when you do. You guys want to definitely look into those. And with that said,
happy hunting, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.